In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Facebook ads not delivering problem. If you've ever run into this issue, you know it can be frustrating to see your ads stalled, especially when you're eager to get your message out. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a straightforward process to check and resolve those delivery hiccups. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. You can do this by searching for it on Google or simply using the URL link if you have it bookmarked. Once you're there, you'll want to click on Go to Ads Manager. This takes you directly to your dashboard where all your ad campaigns live. Now, if you're prompted to, enter your email and password. This is essential to ensure you have full access to your account. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll see a wide array of tools and data at your disposal, but our focus today is on the campaigns dashboard. This is your control center for all the ads you've ever run or are planning to run. Next, we'll turn our attention to the delivery column within your campaigns dashboard. This column is crucial because it displays the current status of your ads, ad sets, and overall campaigns. This is where you'll see if your ad is active, pending, or off. If the status reads pending, this could mean several things. It might be that your ad is still in draft form waiting for you to complete and submit it. It could also be pending review by Facebook's team, which is a standard procedure to ensure your ad meets their community standards and guidelines. Lastly, it could simply be that the ad is scheduled for a future date and time. On the other hand, if the status reads off, this indicates that your ad has been manually turned off by you or another user with access to your account. Alternatively, it could have been automatically disabled due to a preset rule. Facebook allows you to create automated rules to control ad delivery based on certain criteria, like budget limits, time of day, or even audience reach. Always double check these settings if your ad isn't showing as expected. Make it a habit to regularly check your delivery status. It might not just be a technical glitch, sometimes it's as simple as ensuring that everything aligns with your intended schedule and budget. By keeping an eye on these indicators, you can swiftly address any issues and ensure your ads are reaching the desired audience efficiently. By following these steps, you should be able to pinpoint and resolve the reasons why your Facebook ads aren't delivering. Remember, the key is to stay proactive and regularly monitor your ads. By doing so, you can ensure that your advertising efforts run smoothly and achieve the results you're aiming for.